Hey guys, it's Ben with Exceptional Glass, 888-83 Glass. Today we are in Glen Ridge, New Jersey, and we have just completed this beautiful basement shower with a double sliding Cambridge enclosure. And on this one, we actually have vertical handles here. This is becoming a super popular option right now for our double sliders and single sliders. Is having the vertical handles. People aren't really digging the round knobs or the towel bars anymore. I understand that the towel bars on the inside of the shower kind of take up the space. You wind up banging your freaking elbow on it, you know, sometimes. So people are opting in for these vertical handles because they are much more decorative. They also match the hardware much nicer than those little round knobs or towel bar. So the only catch with this is, since there technically isn't vertical handles, double-sided, that can fit between this space right here, at least not yet. Hopefully the market is going to catch up and make some lower profile ones so that this allows these doors to bypass each other. But as of right now, this is what we have. So each one is an 8-inch vertical handle. Oh yeah, this is how you fix a cut. Each one is a vertical handle. As you see, we have bumpers or a vinyl astragal here to protect the glass edge from this handle. So it does reduce the opening space. Like, for example, if we had a round knob here or one single-sided towel bar, that means the door would be flush to this guy. But because of this vertical handle, see, it takes up a little bit of space. So approximately 3.5 inches, and 3.5 inches does count. So, so like a big guy like myself to be able to fit in here, yes, I could do it sideways, but a little uncomfortable for a big guy, heavyset guy like myself. So the Cambridge happens to be our most popular series. This guy's in matte black because of the sliding effect. They slide really smooth. The hardware is super modern looking, really matches. As you see, the client's decor is very rustic and mechanical looking. So that's where these wheels, exposed wheels, really play and shine. All right, and what else? You're going to see a lot of knockoffs of this type of sliding enclosure online, but a lot of times they don't use 3/8 inch thick glass like we do on a daily basis. And this material, stainless steel and or brass, a lot of times these online shower door kits are strictly aluminum. Over time, these bars just start bellying because of the weight of the doors. That doesn't happen with this I-beam setup with the Cambridge. So things to keep in mind, and not to mention getting it professionally installed along with warranty. So you guys know the drill. If you guys need one of these, please feel free to give us a call, 888-83 Glass, or visit my website, njglassdoors.com. Hey guys, thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to click like and to subscribe to see our latest DIY videos on how you can fix your own freaking shower door.
And click a like, thumbs up, or a better spiral will crawl on your face.